In today's video, we will talk about how to earn Kroger Fuel Points. This video will take you through the steps to do so and more, so watch until the end. There are several ways to guarantee you earn fuel points from Kroger. The first method is through shopping, either online or in store for groceries. You will earn 1 fuel point for every dollar spent on most grocery items at Kroger. Note that there are exclusions for alcohol, tobacco, fluid milk, and milk products in some locations. However, keep an eye out for occasional special bonus fuel point promotions that can increase your points. Another method to earn Kroger Fuel Points is through prescriptions. You can earn up to 25 points on non-federally funded prescriptions and $1 on out-of-pocket federally funded costs. Additionally, you can earn fuel points by buying gift cards for your loved ones. For every dollar spent on gift cards, you will be eligible to earn 2 fuel points. The fuel points you accumulate are redeemable at any Kroger Fuel Center or participating Shell gas stations. So that's how to earn fuel points from Kroger. It is that simple. Thanks for watching.